At Smartnumbers, our mission is to make voice communication safer. We have cloud-based communications technology, and it's used by most of the high street banks in the UK. We help them in their contact centres to prevent fraud and streamline the customer authentication journey.
Prior to Acumatica, we were using a different software, and that was very clunky, it was hard to use, there was too many processes just to fill out a simple form and get the PO at the end of the application.
We had probably a dozen different systems that didn't integrate, that didn't work with each other. The data was very siloed, and things like purchase orders, expense claims, which should be done easily, were actually a burden, and people were having to wait till they were in the office to do those sorts of everyday tasks.
When we first started looking for a replacement platform, we looked at all the main alternatives. SAP Business One, NetSuite, Sage, and really for us, none of them stood up in the way that Acumatica did in terms of user experiencing, licensing model, and just pure fitting our requirements. Acumatica was way ahead of those.
With Acumatica, the fact we have the app and the desktop application makes it so easier when on the move or in the office. We're now working in a hybrid environment. Sometimes I am working on the road, traveling to places, so the ease of the app and the desktop is fantastic.
It's got a really open API. We've been able to join lots of data sources together, and that's enabled us to get really great insights into a really wide range of metrics. And it's supercharged our business. Everyone's working together really well and way more efficiently than they were before.
Going from 12 different systems down into one system within Acumatica, so that's a massive saving in terms of cost, but the time saving is also a massive saving, and that shouldn't be overlooked either.
So Smartnumbers working with Taskily was a really good fit. They understood our needs really well, and not only were they experts on Acumatica, but their background in finance as well really helped us tailor and streamline some of our existing processes as we were bringing those into Acumatica.
Smartnumbers are experiencing a huge amount of growth. They are expanding into many other countries, North America, South America, Asia as well, and we haven't had to make any changes to do this. Acumatica can already work with multi-currencies across those multi-companies. Acumatica can meet the demands of their growth.
Our customers rely on us, and we're there as the backup, and what we're able to deliver through the use of Acumatica is that continuity in service.
Acumatica has been an absolute dream for everyone within the business.
Acumatica is so easy to use.
I love it.